Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin lesson number 7, Word Processor. Children, let us first see what is word processor. A word processor is a computer software that enables us to process words, paragraphs, pages, and entire document. It is used to create document, store it electronically on the disk, display it on the screen, and modify it by entering characters and commands. So children, whenever you want to add words, you want to add paragraphs, so you need to open word processor. Earlier, we used typewriters. You can see the picture of typewriter over here. But nowadays we are using computer, and in computer we open word processor to write and to show the work. We can take out the printout also. So children, let us see what we can do with word processor. It is used to create document. We can store it electronically on the disk, display it on the screen. We can change it or modify it by entering character. We can give command through keyboard and print it on the paper. And you must have seen in most of the offices nowadays we don't use typewriter, we use only computer. Things we can do with word processor. Let us again see the things which we can do with word processor. We can type letters, reports, etc. Change color and font style of the text. We can change the overall look of our text by changing the color and the font size. We can add pictures which can make our whole document very attractive. We can modify also. We can do editing and we can do formatting. We, we can present it in a proper manner. We can save the document for future use whenever we require. We can use it. And lastly, we can print the document when it is needed. Now children, let us see the different types of word processor. There are many types of word processor available in the market, like the most common and popular is Microsoft Word. It is powerful word processor created by Microsoft for Macintosh and Windows based computers. The second one is ClarisWorks, a full-featured word processor packaged created by Claris for Macintosh and Windows-based computers. Microsoft Works, a full-featured word processor packaged created by Microsoft for Macintosh and Windows-based computers. Lotus Word Pro. These are the different types of word processor which we use nowadays. So children, the fourth one is Lotus Word Pro. It is the word processor software produced by IBM company Lotus Software Group for Microsoft Windows, and it is compatible in IBM OS 2 wrap also. Now let us see the next one, WordPerfect. WordPerfect is a word processing system that was best known for its availability on a large number of computers and operating system. It was used in early 90s. Abort in copy. Abort in copy is a professional word processor that integrates with Abort in design. And what is writer? A creative writer is a word processor released by Microsoft Kids in 1993. Since we are studying Microsoft, so we are going to study Microsoft Word 2010, which we use nowadays. Microsoft Word is a word processing program which helps us to write letters, reports, etc. very beautifully. You can also add borders, shading, tables, graphics, and pictures in the document to make it more attractive. Word can detect the errors while we type in a variety of languages. So, if you have made any mistake, it will show you the error. We can also send a copy of our document to email address when we are connected to the internet. Okay children, let us see how we can start MS Word 2010. First, you need to click on Start button. I hope all of you know where is Start button. Then Start menu will appear children, and in Start menu you will find all programs. In all programs you have to go to Microsoft Office, and in that office you will find Microsoft Word. And then when you will click on Microsoft Word, this page will appear on your screen. I hope children you have understood what is word processor and Windows Word 2010. Thank you children.